God, he is fast!
Wow, that's really great.
Why so much pride, huh?
Are you jealous?
Who's jealous of you?
Let the fight begin! Let's go!
Who do you think will win?
I don't know, but I'm just afraid they'll get hurt.
Are you ready to lose?
Stop talking. Let's start.
Yo, 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 yo!
I can't lose to him.
Be careful.
Coward!
What should I do?
Oh my God!
Stop! My friend is stuck.
Why? You!
Transform. Go. My water power will help you.
Come on! Come on!
Hooray! Sorry, because I'm competitive.
It's me. I'm always jealous of you.
Sometimes winning is not as important as friendship, right?
You, my friend?
Hulk is happily driving his tractor on this peaceful road. What a beautiful day. Uh-oh, the traffic light just turned red. Hulk has to stop and wait for the train.
Stop!
The truck behind is getting impatient.
There's a train
It's
coming.
honking
It's
loudly.
too dangerous.
The train isn't here yet.
What made the truck so angry that it crashed into the back of the tractor? It's a reminder that patience is important, especially on the road. Boom! The train crashes into the truck. What a massive impact.
Huh?
OMG, I
Hulk
have to
quickly
call for
sees the
help.
situation and runs to call for help, teaching us the importance of acting fast in emergencies.
Oh! There's an accident over there. I need everyone's help. There's a fire between a truck and a train.
OMG, we're coming right away.
Hey!
There's an accident on the tracks. I need your help.
Okay, we're coming right away.
The police and rescue team immediately received the call and arrived at the scene, showing how teamwork and quick action can save lives.
Help me! Help me!
The fire truck sprays water, putting out the flames. Once the fire is out, the crane starts rescuing the truck and the train.
Yahoo! Thank you very much.
We need to fix the road and build a new bridge.
The rescue mission is complete. Now, we need to fix the tracks and build an overpass to ensure the safety of everyone using the road. Look, the truck full of bricks has arrived. They are carefully assembling each piece of the bridge.
Let's build the bridge!
The cement truck is doing the final steps to finish the bridge. The cement must be carefully spread for the bridge to be perfect.
We need to reinstall the tracks.
Adding the tracks is the final step. The vehicles move along the new bridge and tracks, ending a successful day.
We must
Patience
follow
and
traffic
teamwork
signals
create
when
a safer
crossing
world.
And never cut in between vehicles.
Hello. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episodes. The truck is overloaded. Just a little tilt, and it might tip over any second. Oh no. The truck just hit a big rock. It's losing balance. It's about to tip over. Look over there. 2 McQueen cars are speeding up, racing to the finish line. Run quickly.
Wait for me. Oh
Haha! The red McQueen didn't see the mud puddle. Now it's completely covered in mud. Only its blinking eyes are visible. Ah! OMG, help me, help me. Oh no! The red McQueen is out of control, heading straight for the intersection. A big truck carrying flower pots is coming.
Help, help, help!
Let me go call for help.
Help, help! There's a terrible accident over there.
Okay, I'm coming right away.
The police car was sleeping soundly, but when it heard the cry for help, it jumped up and called
There's
the
an
rescue
accident.
team.
I need your help.
Okay, we're coming right away.
Oh my god!
The crane has arrived. It's quickly lifting the overturned vehicles back up.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Help me. Help me.
Yahoo! Thank you.
We need to rebuild the road.
Okay.
Now for an important task. We need to repair the road so that vehicles can travel safely. The truck carrying sand has arrived at the construction site. It's about to pour sand to fix the road. The road roller happily moves back and forth, smoothing out the new road. Look how hard it's working. Let's put up some fences. This helps protect the road and keeps everyone safe. Wow, they're even carefully adding beautiful flower pots. This road looks absolutely amazing. To ensure safety, the police car installs a traffic light. Always follow traffic rules when driving.
Do not overload when transporting goods on the road, and absolutely do not play around when participating in traffic.
Hi! Don't forget to like and subscribe. The cars are still sleeping inside the cave. Oh no! Is the volcano about to erupt?
Huh?
What's going on? Nothing at all. Just go back to sleep. Red McQueen wakes up, looks around, then goes back to sleep. Both yellow and red cars wake up and rush outside.
Probably nothing. Back to sleep.
The volcano's erupting so violently.
Oh no!
OMG, this is bad.
Help me, help me.
OMG! OMG! What's this? Rocks are blocking the tunnel. Lava's getting close. The blue car's still in there. What now? What should we do? Ah, I know. Okay, let's go.
Yahoo!
There's a tunnel. What are they doing?
Yay! Let's go! Let's save the green car!
Oh my god, they turned into monster trucks. The red truck moves rocks to block lava. Yellow car's rescuing the blue one.
I can't!
Let me help you.
Yeah!
Yahoo, thank you very much.
We need to block the lava, quick.
Okay, let's go!
Thank goodness blue car's safe, but it's still tense. Look, they're stopping the lava together. We can't do it alone, but together we can overcome anything. Finally, they stopped the lava. Unity helps us overcome anything.
You all did very well. Remember, unity and teamwork are the strengths that help us overcome any challenge.
Look at these cars zooming down the road. They're cruising through so smoothly. Oh no, someone is trying to mess up the road. Haha. The thief grabbed the road piece but slipped and fell flat. Oh no! He stole a piece of the road. What should we do now?
So much fun.
Look over there! The police are chasing after two McQueen cars.
Oh my god, run!
Uh-oh. The red McQueen didn't see the gap and crashed hard.
Help! Oh no!
Hey,
There's a fire here. I need your help.
Okay, I'm coming right away.
hey,
There's a serious accident. I need your help.
Okay, we're coming right away.
The fire truck rushes in to put out the flames, and the crane gets ready to help.
Oh my god, this is so scary. Thank you.
Careful now. The crane is lifting the overturned cars back up.
Thank you. We need to rebuild the road with bricks.
Okay, let's start.
We need to fix the road quickly because safe roads make travel easier for everyone. The crane is working hard, digging up the ground, an important step in building strong infrastructure. The truck arrives loaded with bricks and ready to rebuild. Brick by brick, the new road is coming together.
Wow!
Look, the cement is getting mixed to make the road stronger, ensuring safer travel for everyone. all done. The new road is ready, and now everyone can drive safely. The police bring the traffic light and
You
set
must
it up
not
at the
speed
intersection.
or weave through traffic while driving.
We got it. We're sorry.
The thief is sneakily attaching the stolen road piece to a wooden roof. But remember, bad actions
You're
always
not allowed
get
to
caught.
vandalize public property. It can be dangerous for everyone.
I'm sorry.